this is a spot where a lot of people come to make their picture in the evening here at sunset. Good evening. I just arrived here at the National Stadium BTS station, and today I'm going to show you the One Siam Skywalk. And this is one of the most popular areas to hang out on Saturday and Sunday evening. We're having a nice sunset here, and there's always something to do here on this square. So let's go down. If you take exit number 4, you can go to the MBK shopping mall, but I just want to show you the Skywalk today. So here you have the MBK mall. Here across the street from the MBK you have the BACC, the Bangkok Art and Cultural Center, which is a free museum. If you're in the area, I would say come and have a look there as well. There in the back you have the Siamscape. Actually, this is probably one of the best areas to hang out in the weekend, especially around sunset. There's some music playing down there. You know, it's Sunday. Sunday means there's always something going on. Let me bring you to one of the most famous places for getting a selfie here in Bangkok. Here we have the name of Bangkok, and they actually changed it not so long ago. And this is a spot where a lot of people come to make their picture in the evening here at sunset. Train coming through. If you walk in this direction, you go to the Siam Discovery Mall, which I will do a little bit later, but let me show you a bit more around the area here. You see the lights are getting quite intense now, and a lot of people come here to watch the commercials, and many times they put commercials on here from Thai celebrities, Korean celebrities, and a lot of people come here to just check that out. And from here you have a nice view. You have the King Power Mahanakhon in the back, and then here in front you have the Siamscape. The Siamscape is a combined office and university building. Yeah, and I wanted to say, I thought the Bangkok sign was in green, and it is green on this side, but it is purple on the other side. So let's go and walk a little bit more. So if you go down here to the right, you go in the direction of the Siam Walking Street, which we are not going to do today. Today we are on our way to the Siam Paragon Mall, and I will show you the Siam Discovery Mall in between. This here in front, this is the construction site of the Central Siam Mall, because there are not enough malls. Here you have the building of the Siam Piwat. Siam Piwat is the main company that owns the Siam Discovery, Siam Paragon and Siam Center. Yeah, let me show you the malls. You know, there was a lot of commotion in Thailand about an Apple commercial where they showed a very old style Thailand, and today I will show you a bit of the real Thailand and the real Bangkok. But I have to be honest, I actually liked that commercial because it was just a vintage style and it was a comedy. And I think the people that know, they know that this is a modern country. If you follow my channel and if you follow anybody, you know that this is one of the most modern cities in the world. And I actually liked the commercial because it's a comedy and it is an interpretation and it is the style of filming. And if you, for example, hire Wes Anderson to make a video, you'll get a Wes Anderson video. And this is definitely a video by a director that wanted to portray it in this way. Nobody's complaining about the movie The Hangover, and it's exactly the same in The Hangover. Bangkok looks like an old city, which is fine. We know better. So here you have the sky bridge that connects the Siam Discovery with the Siam Center. So walking straight into another mall. I don't know why they actually put this commercial on here, because you have an amazing view from here. Not smart. But welcome to Siam Center. Because it's Sunday evening, it's busy. A lot of people come here to eat. Here on the top floor, you have the food court. There are several good restaurants here where you can actually get some really good food for a very reasonable price. And this is good quality as well. So this is literally a food hall. Puffland, Japanese. So let's move on in the direction of the Siam Paragon. For Siam Paragon we have to go a few more floors down. Here we are at the Siam Paragon Square. This is next to the Siam BTS station. And we started in the sunset time. There's a food market in here. Like every month there is something new. Sometimes you have a stage where they put music, and now there is street food. So I'm definitely gonna try out some of the food here when I'm ready. So let me bring you to the Siam walking street. If you walk through the Siam BTS station, you get to the Siam Square 1, and then you just walk down here to get to the Siam walking street. In the weekends, in the evening, they close down the street here, and then they allow students to play live music, which creates a really cool atmosphere. And this created a kind of walking street that you would see normally in Japan or Korea. This is definitely one of my favorite areas to go to in the weekend on Saturday and Sunday evening. Around 6, 7 o'clock there is always a lot to do here. And it's nice to listen to the music. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Siam 1 Skywalk. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.